Okay, so our application is displaying the cars from our website, from our database. Now we need to make our forms functional to add a car to the application. All right, now we didn't put an image field here, so that's something we're going to have to do. But I just want to test it without it first, okay, just to make sure everything else is working. But before we do that, we need to just check a couple things. All right, so first of all, we want to look at the form view. So public modules, cars, views, and then we want create car client. And you can see that in the form field here, we have a name attribute of article form. We need to change that to car form. All right, and it's submitting to the create function, which is what we want. Everything else seems to be okay, so let's save that. And then if we go to, let's see, controllers. Okay, so in the create function, we're creating a new car here, but we're still using title and content as our fields, which is what the articles use. So we need to make sure that we change these. All right, so title is fine. We want to leave that because we actually do have a title field. Okay, and then we're just going to add the rest of our fields here. So we have a make, and we just set that to this.make. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the fields. All right, so I went ahead and added all those fields here, and then down here, we want to make sure that after the save, we just clear those out. All right, so that is good. One other thing, I don't think we put the contact email field in our form, so let's go ahead and just add that. Okay, so down at the bottom, I'm going to just copy a text field. Let's see, we'll copy the year field. So we just want to grab from this form group to its ending div, copy that, and then I'm going to add it down here right under description. All right, so here we'll put contact email. Okay, we just want to replace year. So the name, the NG model, ID. Alright, so that should do it. So save that. And I also want to add this to the edit form before I forget. So we'll go to edit car client view. Alright, so let's reload the form. And now at the bottom we have contact email. Alright, so let's give it a shot. Let's just say test listing and new car. We'll stick with the Toyotas. Say Avalon. Say 2013 state. Description. Contact email. Oh, I just realized we don't have the price in the form either. So we gotta add that. Alright, so let's just copy the contact email and let's put this, we'll put the price right after the year. Price, and I don't think I did it in the controller either, so we'll have to add that. Price. Okay, and let's put that in the edit form as well. Oh, this is the edit form, so we'll put it in the create form. Let's go right under year. Okay, so that's the price. Now back in the controller, we just want to make sure we put that. Okay, we want to put it up here as well. So now we'll reload and we should have the price. Looks like the HTML got a little messed up. Let's see, what do we got? Okay, we just need to put this, fix the ending label tag. Make sure you fix it on the edit form as well. Alright, so now we'll say test listing. It's a new car. It's a Toyota Avalon 2012. Price, let's say $15,000. State, Florida. Just say this is a test. And then email will be something@something.com. Okay, submit. And there it is. Okay, and you can see it takes us right to the listing. Looks like the description. Oh, we forgot the description. So back in the controller, we put it there. That's correct. Oh, okay. Our text area tag has a type attribute of radio. So let's get rid of that. We just forgot to remove it when we copied the other field. So let's save that, and now that should work. So let's go to add a car. We'll say another test. Say Toyota. Okay, description. Say this is the description. Alright, submit. And there we go. Now you can see that the description is now showing. Alright, so that's the add form. Okay, so we can see all the cars. They're in the right order. We have the most recent first, which is what we want. Now to edit, the way we have it set up, we have an edit button that will only show up. These will only show up if we're the listing owner. Alright, so if we click the edit button, it's going to bring us to a form, but this form should have the fields already pre-selected. So let's take a look at the edit form itself. Now all we should have to do here is, let's see, go to the input and the data ng model fields. We're just going to have to put car dot in front of them, in front of the field. Alright, so this one, let's do car dot type. I'm just going to copy this car dot. Okay, down here we got car dot make model. Oops, that's the ID. Let's see, price. Select. This is state. Description. For this, I think we can just put it in like, whoops, car dot, what is this, description. Okay, contact email, car dot contact email, and then, yeah, let's try that. All right. So everything is filled in. If I want to change it, let's say changed. Submit. All right, so the submission isn't working. Okay, cars controller. Oh, we still have article form here. We want to change this to car form. Huh, it's still not working. Let's take a look at the console. The server responded with status of 400. Okay, so form, the name is car form. Submission's going to create in cars controller. Okay, it looks just like the create form. I'm not sure why. Cars controller. Input type submit. Oh, I know why. The submit, this shouldn't be going to create actually. This should be going to update. Alright, and then in update we have to pass in car form dot $valid. I think. Yeah, let's try that. Oops, caps lock. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and the delete button should work.